Hey, Phil here from Neues Fliegen e.V. Today we got something in the mailbox from TMOTOR. And in case you don't know us yet, we are a student association from Hamburg and we are working on drones and other unmanned vehicles. And our most recent project is Project Orca, which is a 10 kilogram maximum takeoff mass vtol aircraft that we designed for our competition.
Most recently, we developed, built and flew Orca, our flying wing tailsetter VTOL with a 3-meter wingspan and 10 kilogram takeoff weight. A somewhat exotic concept that required a lot of work, but in the end we achieved a very satisfying result. Our current project, codenamed Mini Orca, is a bit smaller and a bit more handy. It features a 1.4 meter wingspan and is still a flying wing in order to achieve the same efficient horizontal flight. But the motor arrangement is a different one this time, and Mini Orca has a special advantage compared to Orca. For vertical takeoff, landing and hovering, Mini Orca is equipped with 4 motors, which are only used for vertical thrust and can be perfectly optimized for this purpose. For cruise flight, there is a separate motor. We were able to optimize the motor selection so that we consume almost as little energy in hover flight as in cruise flight. And therefore, we can also use special lithium-ion battery cells, Molicell P45B in this case, which will increase our flight time even more. But we can really only achieve this with the motors and propellers from TMOTOR. Therefore, we are very grateful for this package that we have received for our Mini Orca project by them. These motors and propellers are especially designed for efficient vertical flight. First, let's take a look at the anti-gravity series motors. In addition to the high-level build quality, the design of the motors is also very immediately recognizable. This motor type is also known as pancake because of their wide diameter in comparison to their height. With only 300 rotations per minute per volt, they also rotate comparatively slowly, but can handle high voltages. This reduces the overall power consumption. Included are a couple of accessories, with which different propellers can be mounted on this motor. The motors weigh just about 80 grams each, making it possible to build lightweight drones and VTOLs. However, the propulsion system is only really efficient if the propellers are also matched to the motor and application. The carbon fiber props included by TMOTOR in our package are perfectly optimized for our use case, and are also among the very lightest we ever used. You immediately notice the build quality and attention to details. The protective sleeves are a nice addition if you want to leave the propellers permanently attached to your aircraft, so that the very fine parts do not get damaged during transport. For a truly efficient setup, we of course chose 2-bladed propellers. This, together with the rather large diameter and the low blade pitch, ensures high efficiency. To keep the props light and stable, they are made out of carbon fiber and have a very smooth finish to reduce drag. In addition, they can be mounted directly on the motor, which also saves a few grams for adapter shafts. In our next steps, we will benchmark the assembled propulsion system in a wind tunnel, especially for the fixed wing configuration. This is important to find the best motor and prop combination for our use case. Parallel to that, we are continuously working on getting Mini Orca ready for its first flight, and we can't wait to update you on that as well. We are very thankful for the support of TMOTOR, supplying us with the professional hardware we require to make our project happen. It gives us not only a very efficient propulsion system, but also a reliable one. With a lot of use of their hobby-grade electronics and propulsion systems, we know we could count on their professional-grade products, and we're happy to find our expectations matched. Again, many thanks to TMOTOR for sponsoring us, and we hope to update you soon on our project's progress.